That setup process, as you demoed it, looks like a setup process that only someone who demos it can do.
NoiseAware makes noise monitoring and alarming products for Airbnb.
Our solution entails a piece of hardware, a web application, and our proprietary noise risk score algorithm.
So I'm terrified of eavesdropping. You need to say, "Hi, my name is Garrett. I have a product design." It doesn't eavesdrop.
One of the first questions we always get, it concerns privacy.
You just look at what Facebook does around privacy and do the exact opposite.
Exactly.
There is a class of our customer that we think really engages with our product on mobile, and so we want to give them a native experience.
How is that represented here, that particular use case?
It's about having the right content in the appropriate moment.
None of this sort of up and down in the menu tree, what we call pogo sticking. None of that.
I rest my case.
I think we're looking at elements of the customer journey separately and not as a holistic system.
Make sure that they understand the implications of what it is they're seeing so that value can be communicated.
Don't say, "We do the magic." Say, "Here's the magic, we give it to you." And they'll come back and say, "Oh, give me more, I like this."